Hello Tron and BTTC community. So today I'm gonna show you a demo on how we build a go-btfs-lite binary file, which is basically a reduction on size. As you can see here, the progress on how we managed to reduce the size of go-btfs almost to 50%. Exactly we remove on this, so you can see on the release page, which I will include in the description of the video, you will see which dependencies we removed, so we can enjoy a reduced size on the final binary file on BTFS. So all of these are related to BTTC network compatibility, which we are removing on this light version. Basically, we want to have a read-only version of BTFS, and this is the purpose of the light version. Okay, so why are we doing this? The motivation is that some people, especially developers or enterprises, might need a compact solution on BTFS, and of course they won't rely on a 100 megabyte binary, which is the current size of BTFS. This is too large. Even for WebAssembly purposes, this is too large to be run on a browser or even a mobile phone application. For example, for the Termux Android app, which is a command line emulator, this is too large, and maybe we are missing potential customers in the future and even now, because by having this reduced size binary, we can integrate BTFS in any mobile application, and they can use it just to get information from huge files such as libraries, software packages, Linux distributions, even Spotify songs. So we really need to find ways to improve or reduce the size of BTFS, and having a light version is the perfect way to interact with BTFS without having all the complications of configuring a BTTC wallet. Okay. So here, if you are interested in details, you can go here. If you are a developer, you can contribute to the code here. And so just if you want to understand better what's going on, just ping me, follow me on GitHub, and we can work together. Okay. I'm gonna show you how we can get files using this to actually show you if it's possible that the binary is fully functional. So you just need to click here. It will start the download. Okay, so download is completed. So if you see, you will see, if you're using a Mac, you will see the white file indicator here. So this basically means your file doesn't have execution permission. So basically what we need to do is to provide this binary file execution permissions. So first step is to initialize the node as a simple mode. Why? Because BTFS team introduced a new mode, which is basically what we did on this light version. They removed the BTTC network altogether to give more flexibility. Of course, we went beyond that and we reduced the binary size so we can integrate it better. So let's do it. Let's initialize. Okay, Mac is giving us a warning. You have to go and manually allow this to be executed. Okay, again. Okay, whatever, open the file. Okay, in my case, I already had a configuration file here. So if this is the first time you execute or you initialize a BTFS, you will see something different, like, okay, initialization. In my case, I already have it. So let's start the daemon. By calling BTFS daemon, we are basically instructing the BTFS code to initialize the network or the node, the node into the network. And we are now able to go to the dashboard and start seeing some stats and peers, connected peers we have right now. And this number hopefully will start growing. If you have some connection issues, you will see a low number of peers, which is my case right now. I have a poor connection right now. Something is going on with my internet service provider. But anyhow, you will see around a healthy peer number will be around 200 to 1000, even more. So let's do it. Next step is to actually get a file. We will use a command called get, btfs get, this one. So if we are unsure on how to construct the command, we can just put get help, and you will see the full description here. Okay, you will see the options you have. An interesting one is the output one. So basically we can write BTFS, then the CID, which you got from dcloud mobile app, or from your official BTFS installer for desktop. Okay, and then you can specify the path where the output should be stored, meaning the file will be stored. Okay, so I already have a full command here just to speed up things a little bit. In this case, I'm writing BTFS, then get, and I already have some CIDs here, which I uploaded using dcloud mobile. And if I enter, then voila, we have successfully downloaded a file. What is this file? Let's figure out. It's on the document side, document folder, and this is it. El Conde de Montecristo ebook. Nice. Okay, so we have another file around here. It's just a matter to replace the CID altogether, and sometimes you will see this is taking a little bit of time, but most of the cases is because of the low number of peers. As I already told you, I'm having some connection issues, but if you have more than 100, more than 200, you shouldn't be seeing this kind of issues in your node. All right, and that's it. That's basically the demonstration. BTFS-lite is a reality now. We have reduced 40%, almost reaching 50% of size reduction. We have plans to go even beyond that using UPX, which is a compressor of binary files. However, the developers are having troubles with latest Mac OS releases, so I'm gonna keep working hard to provide more reduction on size, and also working on providing you WebAssembly binaries in the future.